Every morning, Arun walked past a small shop on his way to work. The shop had no bright sign. Its windows were dusty, and its door was always closed. One day, Arun noticed something unusual. A handwritten note was hanging on the shop door. Lost something? Come inside. Curious, Arun opened the door. Inside, he found shelves filled with peculiar objects: a single glove, an old photograph, a red ribbon, a toy car, a small silver key, and many other forgotten things. Are all these items lost? Arun asked. The shopkeeper smiled softly. Some things are lost, he said. Others are simply forgotten. Arun looked around the shop. The objects seemed ordinary, but each one felt as if it held a story. Then, on a high shelf, Arun noticed a small wooden box. He carefully took it down and opened it. Inside was a small wooden toy truck. Arun stared at it. He knew that toy. Years ago, his grandfather had carved it for him by hand. Suddenly, a forgotten memory came rushing back. He remembered sitting beside his grandfather as a child, watching him carefully shape the wood. He remembered his grandfather's smile, the smell of fresh wood, and the happiness he had felt when he first held the little toy. Arun had forgotten the toy, but he had also forgotten how precious that moment had been. A warm smile slowly appeared on his face. Thank you, Arun said to the shopkeeper, holding the wooden toy close. The old man smiled. We rarely lose what matters, Arun, he said. Sometimes, we only forget where we kept it. The next morning, Arun walked past the shop again. But the shop was gone. In its place stood only an old brick wall covered with ivy. Arun stood there for a moment, holding the little wooden toy in his hands. Then he smiled and walked on. The shop had disappeared, but Arun had found something he thought he had lost forever. A precious memory.